Hello, how to compare these two numbers and find which of these is the bigger number, 18 power 16 against 16 power 18. Now, I can divide this by 16 power 18. Also divide this by 16 to the power of 18. So, what happens here is that we are going to compare these to one. If this is my A, and that is 18 power 16, and my B is 16 power 18. So I'm going to have A divided by B. If A divided by B is greater than 1, that means A is greater than B. And if A divided by B is less than 1, that means A is less than B. So this will give us 1, right? Now let's find out if 18 power 16 divided by 16 power 18 will give us a number that is greater than 1 or smaller than 1. So let's do that. We have 18 power 16 divided by 16 power 18. So from here, 18 is 2 times 9. So I'm going to have 2 times 9, that is 18 power 16, divided by 16 is 2 raised to the power of 4. Of the power of 4. And this is raised to the power of what? 18. Now, if you consider this identity, if you have A times B power C, this equals A power C times B power C. So that means you are going to have 2 power 16 times 9 power 16 divided by, for this, we multiply this exponent. 4 times 18, and that is 72. So we have 2 power 72. So from here, I'll simply have 2 power 16. I can divide by the common denominator, divided by 2 power 72 times 9 power 16. Have you seen that? So let's consider this other identity. If you have A power n divided by A power n, this equals A power n minus n. That means I'm going to have 2 power, this is 16, minus 72 times 9 power 16. So from here, I'm going to have 2 power 16 minus 72. That is minus 56. We have times 9 power 16. Okay, from here, remember, if you have A power negative n, this equals 1 divided by A power n. So 2 power negative 56 with the same thing as having 1 divided by 2 power 56 is times 9 power 16. So from here, we multiply this by the 1. We are going to have 9 power 16 divided by 2 power 56. So from here, we can simply express 9 as a perfect square, which is 3 power 2. And this is raised to the power of 16 divided by 2 power 56. So from here, we simply have 3 power 2 times 16. That is 32. We have 32 divided by 2 power 56. So this will simply give us 3 to the power of 32 is simply 4 times 8, or 4 times 8, divided by 2 power 56 is simply, I can have 7 times 8. That's 7 times 8. So right now, if you have A power n times m, this equals A power n raised to the power of n. Meaning this, we are going to have 3 power 4 raised to the power of 8 divided by 2 power 7 raised to the power of 8. Now we want the exponents to be the same. So from here we have 3 power 4, that is 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. And this is raised to the power of 8 divided by 2 power 7, that is 2 times 2 times 2, 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, 2 times 2, and that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 raised to the power of 8. This is 927, 81 power 8 divided by 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 128, and this is raised to the power of 8. Now, the exponents are the same. So, if you have a power c divided by b power c equals a divided by b raised to the power of c, meaning that this will be 81 divided by 128 raised to the power of 8. Now, 81 here is smaller than 128. And remember, this was our a, and this is our b. So that means 81 divided by 128, a divided by b will give us a number is less than 1, meaning that a is less than b. So what is our a? Our a from the original question, we had 18 power 16, and b equals what? 16 power 18, meaning that 18 power 16 is less than 16 power 18. That means this is the bigger number. So guys, this is it. The greater number here is 16 power 18, which is b is greater than 18 power 16. Goodbye.